4 students from Wesley Primary School, 3 from lower division and 1 from the upper division, have tested positive for COVID-19. A teacher from Queen Square Anglican School has also tested positive for the novel coronavirus as part of a contact tracing exercise ongoing as a result of the outbreak at the Princess Casino in Belize City over the weekend.
The Central Health Region team is working hard with the contact tracing. Contact tracing is what will allow us to contain the spread of the infection, and measures are being implemented with the schools to reduce the exposure of other kids to the virus.
The students ages 12, 10, 8, and 7 are all close contacts of persons linked to the Princess Casino outbreak. The 7-year-old is exhibiting mild symptoms while the others are asymptomatic. All students are in isolation. Today, there was little to no activity at the primary school as the Standard 1 and Standard 3 students and teachers were getting swabbed at the Central Health Region.
I had a parent from the school that was tested positive, and that parent had children in 2 of our classes. Due to that fact, we took those children along with the teachers, and everybody went and took their test today. We had 12 students and a teacher from Standard 3 and 15 students and 1 teacher from Standard 1. However, we learned that there was a relative in a Standard 2 class related to that parent, and so that other Standard 2 class along with the students and the teachers will be tested tomorrow.
Dr. Natalia Baer explains the process agreed to with the Ministry of Education.
When having cases in schools, we start first with the classroom where the positive case is identified. And if I'm not mistaken, the results from the testing of one of the classrooms, all of the kids were negative. The kid that was positive is a close contact of a family member that was diagnosed positive. So in this case, it is recommended, that the kids from the classroom where you have this child that has tested positive, the rest of the kids can stay away from the class until their result is available, the PCR result. And then if we confirm that all of them are negative, none of them have signs and symptoms, then they can go back to school.
Meanwhile, Vice Principal Pamela Baird makes an appeal to parents.
We're appealing to the parents, if you know you're positive, please, we're begging you to keep your child at home. Do not send them to school so that they can expose other people's children.
Duane, Moody for News 5.